We're back with part 3 of the Mower series to see if we can get it going. The easy start goes in.
Yes! Turn the red up a little bit as well.
Safe to say, I was absolutely over the moon.
I've just realised, because I'm an idiot, that it's turning off because of the safety switch on the seat. Sounding better. Woo! Let's go, baby. I just watched that short clip back, and can we all just have a moment of appreciation for how good I look on a ride on a lawnmower? Thank you. Give me some Rasta mow. Well, now we prove she works. Let's go. So we've got her going. I think all she needs is a little bit of TLC. I might take the car apart a little bit and clean it up, but she's pretty much going, to be fair. I'm quite happy. I think she just needs a good ride.
Now it's time to find a buyer.